As a beginner Forex trader, these are three things that will help you to make more money as you keep on growing. The first thing is for you to pay attention to the trend, understand the direction of the market. For example, if the market is uptrend, you know that what you do is to buy. But then since you know that the trend is on uptrend, you now understand at what point will I buy so that I will make profit instead of having a loss. And now, when you zoom into the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame is showing you that the market is going up. You checked on the 1-hour time frame, it shows you that the market is going up. You don't buy at the top. You buy low so that you make profit as it goes up. If you buy at the top, the moment it starts moving down, you're going to have a loss instead. So what you simply do, since you know that the 4-hour is showing you that the market is on uptrend, you wait for it to correct, because the strategy we are using is indication, correction, and continuation. That is ICC. So now the market indicates an uptrend that it will be buying. It must correct because what goes up must surely come down. So after it indicates that it's going up, then you wait for it to correct, and then it is making formations, and then it's about to start going your way. You wait for it to start. At that moment, you can storm into buying because you already know that the direction of this market is up, okay? And now it came down to grab liquidity. It zoomed down to take some money of the people that bought it while it was at the top. You don't buy like such people. You wait. The moment it gets down to your direction, then you place a buy. The moment you place a buy, the next way you can remain in profit is to set your take profit at that moment that sellers pull down the price from before. Because if you're selling something, you take it to people that buy. But if you are buying, you go to people that sell. So the place the market pulled down from before, you are going to set your take profit there. And then because you are buying, your stop loss, you place it at that spot just below where you are buying from. That place, it showed you that sign that it is now going up. Below it, you set your stop loss. For the number 3 of what you must do to always remain in profit, it means anytime you look at the chart and you do not see clarity of where you are going to place your take profit, or where you are going to place your buy or sell, or where you are going to place your stop loss, if this is not clear to you, this means you have no structure that you are looking at. And without structure, you don't need to even place any trade at all. So the moment you keep mastering, understanding the exact point to place your buy and the reason why you are buying, where to place your take profit and where to place your stop loss, as you continuously understand and practice this and make profit, your profit that you will get will be more consistent. You get that, right? However it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this.